Hi guys, in this tutorial we are going to see the steel beam and its properties. First, we shall look into the types of steel beam that can be used in Tekla: straight beam, poly beam, curved beam, twin profile, orthogonal and spiral beam. Now let us look into detail of drawing a straight beam and controlling its properties. Note that the command prompt always prompts the next instruction to be done. Also, use the middlemost button to terminate a command. Click on the icon, you see the property tab popping on the right side. Let us look into detail the property tab part by part. First, the general consists of its profile and its look. You can modify the profile by clicking on the three dots that is available and select the required profile in drop down or in search in filter. Type in the profile and click on filter to filter the profiles. Select the profile and click apply and OK. Now select the material, finish and class and click modify to apply the changes. Moving on to the numbering series, the part position and the assembly position numbers are to be provided here. Keep the part position numbering as small m and the start number as 1. Coming to the position is used to define the orientation of the members. Select the position and click apply to keep the changes. You can see how Tekla sees the member from top and front view by default. After selecting the desired orientation, click 2 points in the model space to draw the members. Now let us move on to the end offsets. End offsets are associated with the offsetting of a member from start and end point. Here, yellow is the start point and pink is the end point. Type in a value in which axis you want to offset the members and click modify to apply the changes. Here I have offsetted on all direction. Deforming is used to twist and change the member. Usually the changes are minimum in Tekla model, but the changes could be seen in the drawing and reports taken. Wrapping causes a twist in the member. You could provide the twist on the start or the end point. Cambering, when provided positive z values, it curves up, and negative on a vice versa. When shortening is done, the members is short but it is not affected in Tekla model. But the changes can be seen on the drawing. The total length is 2000 mm. We have given a shorten of 500 mm, which caused the beam to be shortened by 500. So the total length is here is 1500. See the snip? Giving a radius to a straight beam makes it a curved beam. You can draw a curved beam also. Increase the segment value to make it a smooth curve. You can change the direction of the curve by controlling its plane. Thank you guys. By this we have covered all the properties of a straight beam. In the next section we will cover all the types of steel beams.